Yo guys, we might have another Air Jordan 4 brick by brick situation. We might have another Air Jordan 5 black metallic situation when it comes to these Air Jordan 1s. And I'm telling you guys right now, you ain't got to watch the remainder of the video. Just figure out what shoes inside of these boxes. You need to get them now before you regret it miserably later down the line. We're going to discuss and unbox these things, chop it up. Let's get into today's video, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping back into another one of them ones, bro. We are back. Trying to drop some good info, trying to drop some gems, man. I'm trying to help you guys out all year long, bro. Like, hey, don't buy this, wait for around this time. Just trying to help you guys out and figure out when the best time to pull the trigger on certain sneakers. So if you guys are interested in that, you are new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you miss out on any content that we do drop, and please leave a huge like on today's video, man. The likes go a long way. It shows YouTube you guys enjoying the content. And I definitely love producing this content for you guys. So if you don't mind, man, do your boy a favor, run them likes up, spam in the comment section. If you don't even want to watch more of the video, at least comment a sneaker down below that you think people should keep an eye on, because that resale is starting to tick, or it's going to happen very, very soon. And with these joints, I'm going to let you guys know why. All right, so if you guys have been sleeping under a rock the last couple of weeks, or like pretty much the last week, bro, we got restocks on Air Jordan 4 white cements. We got restocks on all types of stuff, but the sneaker in today's box is a shoe that everybody's kind of a little bit alarmed by. They say, yo, why is Nike doing this restock in this way? And it was an EA, and people was like, yo, is it a shock drop? It's exclusive access. Everybody was jumping through hoops trying to figure out what was going on. And then lo and behold you, bro, lo and behold you, I got exclusive access. Yes, me out of everybody under the sun. Everybody under the sun, your boy got exclusive access, so I had to take advantage of it, because I know for sure these right here will do something in the near future, if I'm being honest with you guys. So let's go ahead and get inside of today's box. Let's go ahead and flip it open and see what we have. And you guys should know what we got, bro. You should know what we got, man, by now. If you don't know, now you know. Check them out, bro. You know about the box, what we have inside of these sneakers. And without further ado, man, Air Jordan Retro High OG SP Varsity Red, Black, and Sale. Yes, sir. We got them things in the size 9.5, bro. My personal size. We got the double up, bro. We got the double up officially, and I am excited about these because, one, this is a good size for mine. The other pair I got is a size 9, I think. And we have them right here. Shout out to the Nike sneakers app, man. Shout out to Nike, bro. Your boy got that lucky EA Dubski on the Nike sneakers app, bro. Look at them, man. Look at these beauties, bro. Every time I see them, I say, yo, these things is cold. These things is clean. And I know if these were released about 4 or 5 years ago, around the hype of the ones, around the hype of the black toe unions, the storm blue unions, bro, people will put this #1. I guarantee this will be #1 if they're released back with the other two Unit LA originals. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull both of the sneakers out of the box real quick. I'm still excited because, like I said, I do got that double up, and I'm gonna let you guys know right now, bro. I think that these have great potential in terms of the resale value. I know a lot of people don't like talking about resale, but if you think about it, bro, the resale can be one of those pros and cons, especially when we talk about how much she was worth. And right now, bro, right now, you can check on StockX, check on GOAT, check on eBay, wherever you want, bro. These are going for the low. And I don't know why they are going so low, but this is the best time to pull that trigger. They are not going to stay this low for long, and I'm going to tell you guys why. We're going into that summertime. We're in the summertime, and guess what happens around July, August timeframe? People are going back to school, and kids want a fresh pair of kicks, and they see that resale this though. They're gonna start getting these things up. They're gonna start getting them off StockX, gonna start getting off of GOAT. There's not gonna be too many more DS Unit LA joints, and that resale is going to start to climb. And it's crazy, right? People always, concerned about, or just kind of see how the metallic fives did. They're just shooting up, just shooting up. But you gotta think, bro, every time I go into the mall, all I see is people wearing is the metallic reimagined fives. It's just crazy. And I think the same thing will happen with these right here. It's a hype shoe. You got a hype brand with it, union to LA, and people are going back to school, people going back to high school, middle school, college, all that stuff. And this is gonna be one of the first ones they go out and get because they are super affordable right now. Pretty much retail plus ship on most sizes. I know some sizes like 13s and 14s. All my big feet fellas out there, relax. I know y'all size probably a little bit more than everybody else's, but for the general consensus, bro, these are super low right now. And I think I can get some people in the comment section to help me out. They won't stay this low for long. So you guys can see, man, your boy the Vintage got the double up. It was a must, and it's really not even a double up, if I'm being honest, because this is my real size now, size 9.5. Even though I can fit a size 9, it's just not as comfortable as a size 9.5 lady. I don't know what's been going on with the different cuts in the sneakers, but 9.5 fits like a 9 now. Like, I don't know. But it's weird because when I go back and wear, you know, an old pair of my Air Jordan 4s, they fit really tight. They all size 9. So maybe my whole life I was a size 9.5. I was just buying 9s all this time. I don't know why. This is gonna be one of those great trading sneakers down the line. You know, if you wanna have a little quick hold, you also have a dope sneaker. So, you know, if you wanna double back, grab a pair, kind of see and wait around how the resale does, I will bank on these going up in the near future, especially by 2026. You know, we got those crazy peak times, back to school, Christmas time frame where we get the Gamma 11s, you know. So around those 2 times is where sneaker prices tend to shoot up. And you kind of got some of those mystery sneakers where you're like, yo, when did the resale go so crazy? Like the Brick by Bricks, bro. Them things went stupid in resale value after the release, and we ain't getting no restock of those. Potentially, we could see something, but it ain't looking too good for restock for those. But you never know. We shall see what happens. So if you don't want to be one of those people, you know what I'm saying, like me, it's happened to me in the past where I, you know, wait on shoes, wait to see how the resale do, and the next thing you know, a couple of months go down the line, or, you know, about 6 months go down the line, you look back at that shoe and they're going for like $500-600 when you seen them originally for $250. Don't say I didn't tell you so on today's video, man. I'm telling you, bro. I think that the unit LA, I'm back, Chicago's have a lot of potential in terms of resale. And I only say that because, you know, I want you guys to get some affordable sneakers. They're going for the low right now. These are probably top 2, top 3 for me, you know, in terms of sneaker pickups of the year. And you can even probably talk about sneaker of the year for the general, you know, sneakerhead community. It's probably definitely top 5 in terms of colorways, releases, collaborations, and whatever category you want to put them in. This is a really, really nice pair of Air Jordan 1s. So don't be sleeping on the rock. Don't say your boy the Vintage and not tell you. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know what you think about the unit LAs. I might, you know, I'm gonna hold on to these two. I'm gonna hold on to them, but definitely the 9.5 is standing in the collection. Had to pay resale on one because I took an L. Got that EA for a size 9.5, which is super, super clutch. Prices are low. I would snag if I was you. But without further ado, let me know what you think about what the unit LA I'm backs will do in terms of resale value, and really the perfect time to pull the trigger is. But I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for tapping in. Leave a huge like on today's video. Comment down below. Let me know what you think about these unit LAs. Is this the right time to pull that trigger or to keep dropping? I don't think so, man. But again, man, I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. Sub up, hit the notification bell. All it's been said, man, your boy the Vintage. Gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.